And here we have it, the end of the road between me and my ultimate sidekick. The slim wallet has been with me for the last 6 years. As you can see, it has seen way better days than this. Whatever wallet I get to replace this wallet has to be just as strong, just as durable, and provide a few more key features that this wallet didn't have. So let's see what we get to replace this magnificent wallet. So here we have it. This is the ESR Halo Lock wallet stand. As you can see, this is a secure magnetic lock, adjustable stand with easy card access wallet. Very nice packaging. So let me open the packaging so you can see what's inside. As you can see, this is the wallet right here. It looks very beautiful under the sunlight. I did get it in a carbon fiber finish. You can see that this is where the MagSafe era is. Opening the packaging, it shows you what other accessories that they make. So if you're looking for more accessories from ESR, this is what they have access to. Once you remove the wallet, it shows you what phone devices this wallet is compatible with. So it says from iPhone 12 and later. Once it has a MagSafe phone capability, it should work. Looking at the wallet, as I said, it looks very beautiful in the sunlight. It has the ESR logo embroidered right here. This is where you could put your cards. You could hold 3 cards in here, and you could hold 2 cards in here. 1 ID card here and a debit card on this side. If you have cash, you simply put the cash right here. Once you close it, the cash will stay safe and secure. If you have a MagSafe compatible phone case such as this, you can simply attach your MagSafe phone case to the wallet and it stays in place. It's not going to go anywhere, nice and secure. Good part about this, let's say if you want to use the phone case to hold your phone up in a vertical orientation while you're on a call, you can simply do that. It's going to hold your phone up for you. Let's say if you want to hold your phone horizontally, it could also do that for you. If you're watching a movie or YouTube, it could simply hold your phone up for you as you're using it. This is what a wallet looks like when it has all the cards in it. So this wallet has 5 cards in it, and as you can see, it's still a slim design, still a very lightweight design. I have 3 cards here, and I have 2 cards on the inside. To get the cards out, I would simply push right here to get the cards out. As I said, for anyone looking for a lightweight, compact, well-designed wallet, look no further than the ESR MagSafe wallet.